What's up? Today I'm showing you how to make some simple 2D movement with PyGame and Python. Start, just make a Python file. Ship to Py file. Open it up in whatever IDE you have. Open up your CMD, make sure to pip install PyGame. You may have to restart your IDE after you install it, so just do it before you open it. Import PyGame. Initiate it with pygame.initiate or init. Find the width, 1280, and the height, 720. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. We can make a screen or a surface. Pygame.display. Set the mode, and we're going to do the predefined height and width that we have. Pygame.display. I'm going to set the title. Do tutorial video. Obviously, it's whatever you want. And then a clock to make sure we only run a set amount of times per frame. Pygame.time.clock. I'm going to set up a player position. We should do POS, PPOS. Set that to a vector 2. It's easier to manage. Let's do, since we have 720, let's do 650 or 610. We're going to make it 100 tall. And set the player speed, whatever you want. I'm going to do, let's do 5 while true. This is the game loop. This will constantly be running. But we'll want to set the clock.tick to 60. If we're to run this right now, it'll run 60 times a second. We can see we can't really close it. So let's make an event loop. Pygame.event.get. Check if the user clicks the X. Event.type. Pygame.quit. Just want to do Pygame.quit. Now we can press the X. Oh, shouldn't be there. Click the X. Just like that. Now we can define the player. Want our player to be a rectangle. You can do a circle if you want. It does have different parameters, so you will have to remember that. Vector 2 is a float, so we need to set an int, the POS, and we want to get the X. And then we want to do the same thing, but let's get the Y. And then set the width and the height. As I said before, we're going to do 100. Now down here, we want to, we can quickly run this and see real quick. The background is fully black, so if we want to change that, we can do screen.fill. And then we can do, let's do blue. Or, yeah, blue. Run this now, it should be blue. Oh, yeah, we need to display, since it's running every second, we need to display.update. Like that. There we go. You can set other surfaces if you want to. Or we're just going to use screen. We're going to fill it all. Now we want to draw our player or a rectangle. Let's do it after screen. If we do it before the screen fill, I'm pretty sure it will fill over it. I'm not 100% sure on that. So draw, rect, draw it on the screen. So as you can do this, you can either do this way. You can set it like this. Or you can do, I'm pretty sure you can do it this way. Or you have like the colors here. I don't remember the actual colors. We're just going to do a little red. And then you want to set the actual rects, like pull the player that we have before. This should draw our player. There you go. But now we have the movement, so let's get some movement. Out of the event loops, let's do pygame.key if it's pressed. And then we can check what was pressed. We do pygame.k underscore, let's do W first. That was clicked, and we need to do the POS minus equal. Since we are doing W, we need to minus it on the x-axis, or the y, minus the player speed that we defined before. I've clicked this, we should click W, and it should go up. There you go. Basically what we have here is the y and the x. To go up on the y, we want to do negative, so it goes up, positive to go down, And then on X and Y, we do positive to go right and then negative to go left. Copy this a couple times. So now we want to do, let's do S, and to go down on the Y, we want to do positive. We do S, up, and then we should go down. And then we did have W, so that's why it was going faster before. Now let's do D, and that's on X-axis to go left, sorry, to go right on the X. We need to do positive. Now if we do this, we should go D goes right, and then X again, or should go left on the X is negative. Let's do A. That should be it. We go up, right, left, down. There you go.